Hello viewers, this is Ishan Akbar. In this video, we will learn that how to create a simple rectangular channel geometry using ANSYS. For this purpose, I have opened the installed workbench on my system. So simply, I will go to left menu of the main bar, and then I will click on the fluid flow. I will drag this. Click left button of the mouse and drag it with the help of your mouse to any area which is not occupied already. So basically, I will see simple formations like geometry, mesh, setup, solution, and results. So you can solve any fluid problem, any fluid geometry or geometric problem of the fluid flow in any type of channel using these 6 steps. So first step in any problem is to create the geometry. So I have done this in part A. So simply I will double click on the geometry and I will see a new dialog box like this one. So simply in this dialog box, you will see 3 planes, X, Y, Z, X and Y, Z planes. So simply you have to click on YZ plane. When you will click on the YZ plane, it will be shaded. Then go to sketching and select settings and go to grid. Check this snip 2D, also check this snap, and after this you will adjust the grid spacing. I have kept this as 1 meter. uh, by default this is normally 5 meters, so you can change according to your need. And then for minor spaces, simply you can see here, if I make that, you can see the minor spaces. These two are the minor spaces. So basically from this solid line to this solid line, or from this solid line to this solid line, I have 1 meter spacing, and these are 10 boxes. So here I can steps for a major that is of 1 meter, I will set 10. If I set 20, it will be boxes will increase, the number of boxes will increase and size of the box will decrease. So I will keep it as 10, and you will repeat this thing for all 3 planes at once, so that you cannot do them one again and again. So at the first instance you will set your planes. You can change their major and minor planes spacings and depending upon your requirement. So I have done this already. I have set all the planes spacings for major and minor boxes are major and minor spacings. So after doing this, you will go to XY plane and click on this button. You will see X and Y axis. See here, this is X. Red line shows the X axis, green line shows the Y axis. So I can see here the X and Y axis. And in this, I will generate a simple geometry according to width and length of my channel. So again, I will click on XY plane, go to this new sketch button, click on this new sketch one. It will be just select this, it will be highlighted, and then go to sketching and select polyline. Let us say my channel is of height of 0.5 meters, so I will start from this point, 0.5 meter high, then go to bottom or origin. Then let us say the width of my channel is 1 meter, so I will move from one solid line to other solid line, click, and then move to 0.5 meter height. I want to keep this as open channel, so I will right click and then select open ended. So you can see here that this channel is created as open ended channel. Okay, you can simply check either both the lines are equal or not. You can see the starting point and the ending point of the channel are these one. So now depends that in which length you want to extend this channel, mean in which line you want to simply uh, give the length to the channel. So there are two processes. First one is easy. Second one is a little bit more complex. We cannot say that this is complex. So we can say that this will take more time. So I will first go to the first method, then I will go to the next. So the easiest method is to select the extrude command. Simply click extrude, then select this extrude. You can see here the geometry, which geometry you want to extrude. Like in AutoCAD, we extrude the things, we make the things from one dimension to the lengthwise or to the height wise. So simply which geometry you want to select for extrusion, that is sketch 1. Just apply and generate. When you will generate, you will see a channel is created. I have not mentioned the length, so simply I will mention the length here. It is zero point 0.5. I will simply write it as 5, and then again I will click on generate. The channel with the length of 5 meter will be generated as open channel. See here, this is the channel which is generated with the 5 meter length. Okay. If you are interested that I want to increase the height of the channel, that my channel is will be more higher, as it is not of zero point 0.5 meter, it is more. So simply I will go to modeling, I will go to sketching, and then go to modify. You can simply select these lines and just delete them. They are deleted. Now you can again start such sketching by polyline. Say start from this 1 meter height, go to origin and end it at to 1 meter height. Okay, and just right click and open, keep it as open ended. Then go to modeling, select extrude and edit selections. Then if you will edit selections, select for geometry, select this sketch. Now we can see that this is selected, and apply and just generate. You can see here the channel with more height is generated. So simply you can generate a rectangular channel by extrude command. And the next way is another simple way. See, we want to increase the length along the x-axis. Mean we want to keep the length of the channel along the x-axis. The height and width of the channel are along y and x-axis, and I would want to keep the channel length along whichever axis you want. You can simply select that axis. So I will simply select this zx plane. You can take it, just go to sketching, sorry, just go to modeling, select the plane and create a new sketch. Sorry, before doing all these things you have to delete your extrude command, so it will be deleted like this. Where is your geometry? This is here. And now select this and bring this in front of your eye so that you can see the view. Go to sketching. Just use line command if you are going to draw a straight rectangular channel, and choose the length for which you are going to create the channel. This will be created simply. And now go to modeling and click on sweep. You have a profile and a path. What is the profile of your section? That will be this one. This is the profile, mean this is the shape of your channel. Simply this one. This is the shape of your channel, mean your channel is rectangular. We can also create the trapezoidal channel. So this is the shape of your channel. Click apply, then go to path. What is the path of your channel? The path of the channel is along this line. So just apply, and after this click on generate, then you will see a rectangular channel created in this way. This is also a 3 meter long channel with 1 meter of width and 1 meter of height. So using these commands, you can, these two ways, you can create a channel with a rectangular geometry. See you in the next video with a new modification in the channel. Means you can you can adopt a hurdle, you can create a hurdle, or you can create a hump in the channel. Thank you very much.